What is going on, guys? Chris Barr first here. We're back at Stormworks, and yes, folks, we're back once again, and today we're checking out an awesome ship by somebody none other than GB Danny himself. Yes, folks, we're checking out another GB Danny ship here. This one looks sick. I like this one. This one looks cool, and this is the first creation that I've seen that GB Danny's actually put guns on this thing. Real working guns. Now, when this thing comes to fighting in a war, this thing's not efficient at all, but it's still fun to use in either way. So we're going to head down, and we're going to take a tour of the ship before we get moving. This thing looks sick, and I like it a lot. This is the forecastle, I'm pretty sure, and this goes down to crew quarters, as I thought. And then this is the engine room down there, which is pretty cool. Deckhouse and machine, and as you can see, this is a really cool looking ship. This is craftsman, crew mess. That's pretty cool. So that's the bottom part of the ship. Top part, armory. This is where you get all your goody crap and stuff like that in nature. This, however, is, yeah. This is cool. We got guns and all kinds of crap in here that we can play around with. Things to Glocks, to rifles, and some machine guns. Yeah, so, yeah, totally, this thing is gonna be sick to find, to do with. But once we get moving, we probably want to, we got officers' quarters, captain's quarters, which, captain's quarters is actually pretty quite nice, actually. I don't see, you would think there would be a bathroom on here. I don't think they had bathrooms on the ships back then. To the magazine. Oh, so this is where you get all your armor at. Okay, so this is a really cool looking ship. I really like it a lot, folks. I really do. So we're gonna head down to the engine room. I think that's everything we saw on the ship. Could be wrong though. So, boiler. We got boiler. So, yeah. This thing is gonna be an awesome one, I have a funny feeling. I believe, these kind of ships do have general alarms on them. I'm sure they do, because these are warships, and I don't think any warships take any crap, and they need to know when they're gonna become deadly. So I think they do have general alarms. I don't know what this is, and I don't know what that's that's about, but okay. Okay, we need to make sure we're on war. We got all kinds of crap going on here. We got a AI ship out there. So that's pretty cool as well. This ship should be moving any second, actually. Like, any second. Make sure we got everything. I like infinite ammo to be on. This ship has not moved yet. So, should be moving out any second now. Get my navigation lights, interior lights, exterior lights. So we're in the bridge right now, and those spotlights. Now, when it comes to mousing with spotlights, I like. when it comes to guns and stuff like that, I don't see a use for it, to be honest with you. But, oh, there goes the ship. Okay, we can make this snappy. So turn the light on. You would guide it with your mouse, which is pretty sick. I like that a lot. So it's like, this would be good on a police boat or something. That's what I think it would be good to use. Alright, so that's the fly bridge up there. Or wheelhouse, as they would call it on these older timers. So, yes, sir. It is working, folks. It is working quite nice, actually. Yeah. Working quite good indeed. I like the way it looks out on the open water. And, once we get later off into the evening, that's going to be a really different situation. I mean, this thing looks really cool at night. I bet it looks really cool at night. I haven't seen it yet. But, man, the thing turns great, too. Wow. Okay. Let's head out. I don't want to head out that way because I think there's quite a cluster of islands. I think we're going to head out this way today. But, yeah. I haven't tried this yet, but, man, it really seems like a cool little thing to do here. I like it. It's fun. It's fun to play with these kind of ships. I don't know if that's a real place or not. This is called the SS Penman. Yeah, SS Penman. I don't know if that's a real ship or not. I can look it up real quick, just so we know. So that's pretty cool as well. SS Penman. Yeah, it is not it's not a real ship. It's fictional. But we do have a lot of real-life ships here in Stormworks that actually look really nice, which, that's really cool as well. But I'll see you guys further out to sea. Alrighty, folks, we are heading out deeper into the sea here. We just left the port, and it is completely dark. It just got really dark, because, it is nighttime, and we are also in the north. We are in the, up north. We're near the Arctic, so that is why it is snowing right now. I don't think we've been in a snow situation here on a ship here during sinking ship survival. Let's see, see what happens here. This is very, I think I should get some thermal clothing on. Yeah, there we go. Now I'm ready for this this cold night. But yeah, folks, it is really, really nasty out here. Like, I kind of don't like how the weather is being right now. We need to head back up towards the bridge. I'll see you guys when we get back up there. Alright, so we're back at the bridge, and we're just getting pounded by waves right now. I mean, these waves are massive. Like, holy man. It's been a while since we've seen waves like this. I mean, and we see, and also, we get the spotlights on real quick. We do have spotlights down up here as well. No, they're up on the top deck. I should probably get out one of those real quick. But oh my God, this is bad weather. Okay, let's see who's out there. Yeah. Do a quick search real quick. Man, when this comes to, when it comes to, nope, I think we're good. Alright, well, let's get back in the bridge and make sure we're all good to go here. This is gonna be one rough night. Oh man, those waves are absolutely killing us right now. Just hang on for dear life and we'll be alright. Alright. Yep. Alright folks, we'll see you guys further out to sea. You know folks, I don't know what it is, but this ship looks really creepy at night. I don't know what it is, it just gives me the creeps. Tell you what folks, this ship is here hanging on for dear life. You know, this thing is really doing a good job of plowing through these waves. Really is a stable ship. I like this thing a lot. It's not came even close to capsizing. It is still a nasty winter looking night out here. And this is pretty bad. This is bad. Okay. This is a bit overwhelming, I'll tell you that. Okay, well, we'll see you guys further out to sea. Folks, I don't know what that noise is, but it's kind of creeping me out. I don't like it. Just keep an eye on the thing right now. What is that? Huh. I'm not gonna pay no attention to it. What the frick? What the heck was that? Hold on, stop the ship right now. What was that? It sounded like an explosion. Hold on, we gotta stop the ship. What happened? What the heck happened here? Oh boy. Should I be alarmed going down here right now? I think I should be. Let's go down here real quick. What happened? What was that? I'm not too sure. What the heck was that? Okay, there is something exploding aboard right here. Man, this ship is creepy with the. What is happening here? Hold on, no. This ship is definitely exploding here. I need to get down here. Wait, what? Whoa! Okay, we got a hole in the side of the hull. Okay, take it on water. I think this might be a bad ship. Yeah, this ship does not have general alarms, so we have no general alarms at this time. This is a modern enough ship to have it. Let's abandon ship. We're gonna get off this thing before it goes down. Yeah, as soon as I find where the heck the, just raise it. Just get the davit. The davit. I don't know how we're gonna survive out. The ship is going down pretty quick. Okay, come on. Come on, little lifeboat. Come on. I need you to get off. This lifeboat is being stupid. Come on. This lifeboat is being very... Okay, because we're listing over to one side, it's best to be on this side. Okay. Alright. Lower. No, I need to be in this. I need to be in this. Ship is definitely going down. Okay, yep, ship is definitely going down. Oh, this is bad. Disconnect. Alright. We're out. Okay. We're out. Oh, there's a ship. Bro, you gotta be kidding me. Oh, no, please don't. Bro, look at that. Look at that. That's the ship, folks. Uh-oh, we might be in trouble here. Okay, hang on, little lifeboat. Motor on. Okay, we got a motorized ship, a motorized boat here. I don't want to get too far away from the ship. I want to be near it so we can watch the thing go down. Whoa. Okay. You know what? Ditch the lifeboat. I think we're okay. I want to get over there and take a look at the ship. Look at it! It's going! Look at that. That is a sight to behold right there. Look at that. That's the ship, folks. Our lifeboat's way out there somewhere. I don't know where it is at this point. But look at that! Oh, that is so glorious. Oh my god. There goes the back half of it is gone. I also remember this is the Halloween update, so there could be zombified sharks out here. This is creepy, actually. Actually, this is scary, because I don't know what the heck is out here, and there are zombified sharks out here. So, I don't know. I'm creeped out, to be honest with you. This is not a good feeling to be out here with a sinking ship and zombified sharks. In a salvage winter storm, at that. Just look at that. That is so cool. It's got so much damage on it. It's gonna go down by stern. I do think it's a little too cold for the sharks to come out. But, man, you gotta be kidding me. There's the ship. There goes the ship! Lights are flickered. Lights are flickering. We got the light, the power getting cut off. There's a couple flickers right there. The power keeps cutting on and off. Oh. There it goes. Power keeps cutting on and off. Like, we have some power shortages here. She's trying to power back up, but I don't think that... Boom! The ship just exploded in the front. Hmm. Folks, she's trying to stay powered, but it ain't gonna be lunch. Yeah, the flower keeps flickering on it. I guess it's trying to. I guess it's trying to keep afloat, but I don't think that's how it's gonna work here. Wow, oh! It keeps exploding. That's what's happening here. Bro, this is like a horror scene, especially with all these zombicide sharks out here. I don't know what's out here. That is creepy in a way. I do have to say, with the lights being off on the ship, it is creepy looking. I mean, this would definitely be a good ship for ghost ship, for sure. There she goes. Is she down? Not yet. She's trying to give up. Bro, I don't like this. Bro, this is creepy. Wait a minute. I thought she was gonna go down there. She's trying to... She's filling up with water. She ain't gonna be staying much afloat. I think she just went. Yeah, there she goes. Yep, she's gone. Yeah, she's not coming back up now. She's gone. Oh, I don't like it how it turns. It disappears under the water like that. It's creepy. That was cool. Alright, we'll stir the water up a little bit. Wow. All I can say is wow. Let's go check out the wreck and see what we got down there. Oh wow, there she... Look at the damage. She actually did explode. Wow, that was cool. That was a cool sink, folks. I like that. Wow. That was a cool one. But anyways, folks, I guess that's going to wrap it up for today's episode of Stormworks. I'm just going to sit out here and wait for the Coast Guard to come rescue us. If you guys enjoyed Stormworks, you know what to do. I don't even have to keep repeating it at this time. You know what to do. You guys know you like Stormworks, and we already know. And we'll be here for you guys as much as possible. But until next time, babies, I guess we'll see you guys next time on Stormworks. Thank you. Peace out, guys.